Good morning, everybody. Welcome to King Trades Live. I'm at the chart. Just got here. And I forgot to set up my camera first. Looks pretty good. Hey, I got that in pretty quick. There we go. It is March the 10th. I am still working. I get a call. I have to go. Hopefully my manager's not watching and gonna get mad at me for seeing this. But I know I'm not getting a call for the next hour, so I can trade for the next hour. And we are up today. Looks like, let's come over here. Nakira, if you see me on, hop on, buddy. Hop on. Let's do this. Let's make some money together. Let's go up over here. Got our 15-minute block. All right. Overnight session, what happened here? Asia started to dump down off these highs made from yesterday. And then we just kind of ranged for a while. London comes in, big jump up over 25, 117. And now we're trending back down to these Asia market levels over here. We're hitting this 15-minute buy candle low, and we're starting to push up off that. Looks like we're rounding into this gold box made from yesterday. And then we are possibly going to start pushing through and continuing this uptrend. We have to break this 2,500 level, 25,000 level before we keep pushing up. So we're going to just hang out while we're in a range right now. Wait for the market to open in 8 minutes. I don't think I'm going to take a buy or sell since I just hopped onto the chart, and I'm talking about 55,000 words per minute right now. Look at that. That's a picture of my beautiful wife and children. Let's see how skilled I can be. Boom. And that is not pro video mode. Right after I get it set up, it just disappears. Alright, now I gotta set this camera up again. Garbage. Looks like. That looks like. Alright, got a Tradeify payout yesterday. Did my KYC. I'm having some issues with it. And so I haven't actually received my money, but they did dock the money from my account. So if you ask me, that would mean that it is good to trade because they took the money out of my account. So I'm going to trade it. Nice little break up here. Breaking this top side purple. Break, retest, push back into those 990s. Got this 2-minute cross to break. We're breaking. Got these highs to come through. See if we can break this 25,000 level prior to the market open. I think the long looks really good here, especially if you look at the 5-minute. Look at the 5-minute chart. I mean, we're starting to break that downtrend, come down, testing it, starting to push up. We might get a nice big pump all the way up to these 2540s at the market open here in 7 minutes. Bouncing that 2-minute cross. See if we can make some new highs. Kira, where you at, man? Kira, where you at? Going. We're gonna do we got a 12 ATR here. What's that? What's that range on this? Only 12 bars. Let's go ahead and take a 3 spot on this new break of the high. Got to hold that 25,000 level and continue to push up. Oh, it's pushing back down now. Nice little continuation candle. out for 15 points. Why is it not measured out for 15 points? Maybe the entry was late? There's 14.5 points on that. Well, that's from the wick. It's a big loss if I take that. Tweezer top. I guess that was from the bottom of the wick. Let's see if we get a 3-bar up here. Or are we going to continue to push down? I think if we get a 3-bar up, I think we should be good. I love to take a 10-point trade and then hold it into the open. We got 4 minutes left till the open. Let's break in that 25,000 level again. Battle zone here. Just looks like it's curling down. '90s. Big curl down. Not going to add in here. I am taking too much risk on this trade here right now. Because of that, my entry was late. My entry was supposed to be top of this candle here. But so we're gonna take that little bit extra risk. See if we can break back into those 25,000s. Get that push up at the open. Hit 25,000 again, starting to push back down. Time's left on this candle, 15 seconds. Let's see if we can push that high on this candle here. Get if it can hold it up to 25,000. No, it held the low on the close. If we break this candle low, I'm going to cut it. We got 2 minutes left till open. Cut my risk in half here. Last minute till open. See if we can get a push back up. Thirty seconds left. I'm going to cut it. I'm just going to cut it. I'm not going to take that risk into the open.
Order filled. How many of you know that he's the God of the turnaround tonight? That he can flip it around. He can turn it around. What the enemy meant for
Nice big pump.
he can make for good tonight. It doesn't matter the decisions you've made. It doesn't matter your past. You can say, I've wasted too much time. I've done too much in my past. God can never turn it around. God can do anything. And God is the God that turns things around. So tonight, just call upon
Right up to those 40s, like I said.
There's no situation that's impossible for our God. Hallelujah.
Now we're just gonna sit and wait. It was a good trade. It got too close to the open there, and so I didn't want to. As it was starting to look like it could possibly curl, I don't want to hold that through the open. It actually didn't come down to touch my original stop, so it would have. If I would have been in where I had measured out the stop from, I think I would have been good. But since I didn't get in that early on the trade, breaking that 5-minute level. Wicking and pushing. Go ahead over here and take a look at my options here. Nicely done, Coles. Where's it, Hog? Who's making all this money for me? It's a little bit of everybody. Earnings beat with Coles. That's good. Look at that thing pumping. I'm actually happy with cutting that trade. I'm happy I cut that trade. It was too much. It was too much risk for a slippage, and slippage is really bad for copy trading too. Like lots of times that'll jack up your copy trader. Some of your accounts won't get pulled out, and so that thing tanked down. It could have not only jumped my stops, but could have left some of my accounts in and losing money. Nice pull back to that 5-minute level. 5 minutes pushing down below. All right, let's go here. Let's say I got wicked out on this thing. What was that move? Probably about 40 points. Probably about 40 points. Oh. Now we're pumping up that oh, oops, I didn't mean to message you. I want to message a new one. See if we break that 25,000 level. So we get a dump down. $33 would be that next level down. Big up Wix, big up Wix, big up Wix. Creating a range. Wandering through the night, wanting no place to hide this weary soul. His bag of bones. All right, so Cole's pushing back down. Is that what's going on? Who else pumping? 1928. I already have a call on it. Yeah, 21 call. Okay. No real news today. I mean, we're still uptrending, still pushing towards highs, still over 25,000. I want to short it, but I always want to short. APA Corp, Halliburton, Coles. Nice dumper. There's a nice dumper. It holds down below that 2-minute cross. Got to break that. It's got to break that that blue and hold it. Breaking that 2-minute cross. Breaking that blue. Kind of don't want to buy at the very bottom of the range. We don't got a clean break. Alright, that's a better looking break. See, now it's pushing back up. Really fighting that break. Bottom of the gold box. Good looking pop. Right back into range. I got about 30 minutes left. Right back at the top of the range. Get up, get up, get up out of that grave. Maybe 3-bar this up. I'll take a long size on this candle. 25 points. B1 contract. These phones just logging us off is just nuts. Well, let's go for it.
Order submitted.
Bottom of this wick here. Breakout continuation. Push another 10 points. I'll take it off. Retest that range. See this thing turn green here. Push up to those 50s and then make a run for that. Just gotta break that 5-minute level. We're not breaking that 5-minute level. We're pushing back down. All right, 2 out. Rejected that 5-minute cross. All right, we're ranging pretty hard here. Back up to that 5-minute cross. Pull down, wick me out of. Right back in profit. Right back where I would have been in profit. Breaking that 5-minute cross again. No follow through. Held below it. SPX had like no opening gap. All right, let's see here. Curling down off the 5-minute. Good curl. Got a 2-minute cross forming. Purple curl. This thing can push a little further. There's 10 points.
Order filled. Order
Stopped
filled.
out.
Order filled.
Got a W on that one. Breaking back through the top side of the purple. Now they're calling it a sell again, but it's the cross afterwards. To me, purple's already invalidated. Just continue into range here. On the 2-minute cross, rejecting the 2-minute cross. I want to see it close below that 2-minute cross. I mean, it looks really good for that short too. Everything's curling down. 2 minutes showing sell. 5 minutes about to show sell. Retesting that. All right, let's go for it here. Upside purple. Take my 10.
Order filled. Order filled.
Not bad, not bad. Breaking the bottom of the gold box. 5 minutes about to cross under. I like to see it break through orb. Get this continuation off the bottom side of orb. And then we got lots of room down. If we don't just range here all day. SPX is breaking orb, NQ is breaking orb. SPX is a strong break on orb. NQ's kind of holding on. 60 level. $30 left on it. I want to see it just wick it and pull back up. If it does that, we're probably just going to be ranging all day. Yeah, yep. No close below. Very resilient, very resilient. All right, there's that break. It's got to hold it, though. It's got to hold below. All right, held below. We got a retest. Low retest. Do I take it? All right, let's take it here. I'd like to have seen a little stronger push. Has to wick out pretty strong here. SPX about to push back in. See if this thing can wick back out pretty strong. If SPX can bounce off and push down. Not looking good. Big strong push. Ooh, it almost took me out. Now it's looking very bullish. It almost got me on that tick to the 10 point. Pushing back out. Got some continuation on it. Come on, get that little more push. Just that little baby push. Little baby push. Come on, baby. You got it. You got it. It's right there. You got it. You got it. That's gonna be 10. There we go. There's 10. Broke that blue. Oh, we're hitting a 5-minute cross here on NQ. That's weird. See if we can get another push back down, or is it going to come up and take me out? All right. Retesting bottom side orb again. Solid break in. Projecting off the sauce box. Still holding below. Nice big push back down. It's interesting that it's a stack level on NQ. I'm NQ, but it's not a stack level on NQ. It's a stack level on MNQ. It's not a stack level on NQ. Break back into orb. Continuation candle. Too strong for me to jump in on. Nodal retest. Right up to that 5-minute cross. Breaking that again. That 33. Breaking that blue on the 2 minute. Got a purple with the sell signal. Let's go for it. Might have been a little late on the entry here.
Order submitted.
I would have hit that right on the sell. Would have been better. Another late entry. Like 22 should have been the entry, and then we would have already tagged it. We would have already tagged it. There's that push. Definitely would have tagged it there. I still get my 10. Nope. There's my 10.
Order filled. Order
Darn,
filled.
man. Nothing quite has the legs on it, man. Those pullbacks are getting me. Those little 10-point pullbacks are getting me. All right, guys. Well, I have to go because I got stuff I got to do for work. So I think that's going to do it for this session right here. A little 40 bucks. Not bad. $40 I'll take. I'll take 40 bucks. Why not? If you ask me, the sell's still good. I would probably want to hit the button now. But you could wait till the 1 minute cross at 40. Those 940s. See if he comes back, taps this cross as an advanced read play on this A++, and then take that one short. So, I mean, it's got room down. But that's it. God bless everybody. Jesus loves you. He wants to know you in a real and personal way. Glad I got to place a couple trades before the work had to happen. But, and we're green. So, can't beat that. Good trades. Good trading. Not upset with anything that happened. The opening market one would have been a big winner right off the bat. But it was just too much risk. So I didn't want to leave that on the table. And then good trades from there on out. Took another loss right off the bat. Brought me down to down 100, which is $50 per loss, you know. And then was able to pull that back in 4 trades and turn it green. So pretty happy with that. Here we are hitting that advanced read. So this would be the sell point right here if you're going to go for it. And then it came right up towards that 940s and rejected off really well. But it's also giving you a plus buy at the same time. Oh, man, that's hard. Yeah, I think the rejection level, because it wasn't blue at the time, I would have taken that short on the rejection. So Try to hit as close to the 40s as possible. And right now you're already 20 points in profit. Now it's crawling back up. And this would be a buy spot right here. Boom, hit buy. 5 points. 10 points. Easy 10-point scalp right there. All right, I gotta go. God bless you guys. Jesus loves you. He wants to know you in a real and personal way. I will see you guys next time. Didn't think I was gonna get to trade today, but hey, gotta throw in a couple trades on, and then I'm gonna go do a quick training session, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. So hopefully I'll get to see you guys later this week. I think I'm gonna be doing some Asian sessions. Gonna be doing some Asian sessions this week, and see how that goes. A little more volume in the Asia. Yeah, get A plus plus had the retest too. Here's another touch. That's an actual touch. This advanced read didn't have a touch before. This one has an actual touch, and that gave you 10 points already. That gave you 10 points already. So at least 30 points right there that you could have just snagged 10 point, 10 point, 10 point if you were quick on the button. God bless, guys. Jesus loves you. See you next time.